Hey there, Green Thumb in Training. Welcome to Soil Books, your friendly guide to gardening without the guesswork. Today, I'm saving you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration by exposing the 10 costly mistakes every new gardener makes and how to avoid them. Ever planted something with love, only to watch it wither away? Dramatically drops wilted plant into a mistakes bin. Yeah, we've all been there. But guess what? By the end of this video, you'll be skipping those pitfalls like a gardening pro. Ready? Let's dig in. Quick question before we start. What's your biggest gardening struggle right now? Overwatering, pests, plants just giving up on life? Drop a comment below. I'll help troubleshoot in our next video. Mistake #1. Drowning your plants with love. Overwatering. Glug glug. More water does not mean more love. Roots need oxygen too. Fix. Stick your finger in the soil. If it's damp, stop watering. Mistake #2. Planting in the wrong spot. Sun worshiper in a cave? Not gonna work. Fix. Check plant tags for sun needs. Full sun means 6+ hours of direct light. Mistake #3. Ignoring soil quality. Would you live in concrete? Neither should your plants. Fix. Mix in compost or potting soil for fluffy, nutrient-rich beds. Mistake #4. Crowding plants like a bus rush. Plants need personal space too. Crowding equals disease and stunted growth. Fix. Follow spacing guidelines. They're there for a reason. Mistake #5. Skipping mulch. Mulch is like a blanket for your soil, keeps it moist and weed-free. Fix. Add 2-3 inches of straw, wood chips, or leaves. Mistake #6. Fertilizing like it's a buffet. Too much fertilizer burns roots. Fix. Use organic options, compost, worm castings, and follow instructions. Mistake #7. Planting too early or late. Frost kills dreams. Fix. Check your last frost date before planting. Mistake #8. Ignoring pests until it's too late. Tiny bugs equal big problems. Fix. Spray neem oil or pick pests off early. Mistake #9. Forgetting to label plants. Wait, is this basil or a weed? Fix. Use popsicle sticks or plant markers. Mistake #10. Giving up too soon. Even pros kill plants. Gardening is trial and error. Fix. Learn from mistakes. Every brown thumb turns green. Bonus tip. Start small. A single raised bed or pots are perfect for beginners. And always keep a gardening journal. Now I want to hear from you. Which mistake resonated most? Or what's your best gardening fail? Share below. Let's laugh and learn together. If this video saved your future plants, smash that like button, subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell so you never miss a tip. Remember, every gardener was once a beginner. Mistakes are just stepping stones to a greener thumb. See you next time.